I had a friend who told me a while back about starting a YouTube channel and asked me how I start. I told him he should share his talents and passions, and he said to me, how do I know what my talents and passions are? I said to him, what are you good at? He told me he knows some carpentry. I said, there you go, you can start a YouTube channel on basic home repairs. We all have talents and passions, we just don't share them with people. As for me, I will never give up on my YouTube channel. It's slow growing, but it's growing, and that is all that matters to me. That's a really inspiring story, Richard, and it perfectly captures what YouTube is all about. You gave your friend great advice. Finding what you're naturally good at or passionate about is the key to starting a meaningful channel. Many people overthink it, but like you told him, sometimes it's as simple as sharing what you already know, in his case, carpentry and home repair. And your attitude about your own channel is exactly right. Slow growth is still growth. Every view, every comment, and every new subscriber means someone found value in what you're doing. That consistency and positive mindset are what separate long-term creators from those who quit early.